Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. We are ramping up and getting ready for baby to arrive. She should be here in around 6 weeks or so. So I really want to make my way through the house and clean everything, deep clean certain areas, but definitely clean and organize. I'm starting here in the nursery / guest room. This is something that we sort of did with Grayson as well. And it ended up working out really well because on the nights that Grayson didn't want to fall asleep very easily, I wouldn't have to go back and forth to our room. I could just lay down in the bed in the guest room while I wait to see if he's really going to fall asleep or not. So this combo of the nursery and guest room really works out well for us. I started here in the closet. I'm not going to go into great detail, but I am sorting through everything in the closet and getting rid of quite a bit of stuff to make room for the baby stuff and just to declutter, because I'm definitely in that declutter mode and want to keep going and get rid of as much stuff as possible while I'm in the mood to do it. This room also serves as the storage for like my craft things and some of my Etsy shop things. My Etsy shop is not currently open at the moment, but I do have an Etsy shop. So I'm just going through some of the craft things as well and getting rid of stuff that I haven't touched or used in years and years. It's hard to get rid of craft stuff, I know, because you think, okay, well maybe one day a craft will come up that I need this item for. But there's just some things I know that I'm probably never going to actually come back to.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
So it looks like I actually messed up the recording for this little portion, but this is where I put everything that I was either throwing away or donating. And in a second, you're gonna see I just have it all packed up, and I left the box up in this area so that I can add anything else I wanna donate. Moving on to the guest bathroom and Grayson and the new baby's bathroom. I'm just going through this big linen closet that has a bunch of random stuff in it and trying to pick out stuff that I just want to get rid of that I haven't touched in years and don't think I'll use again.
I just wanna see the light.
If you were wondering, yes, I am in scrubs in the majority of this video. I work as a nurse and I've just been staying in my scrubs for most of the day because they're really comfortable, and instead of trying to find pregnancy things that fit and are comfortable, why not just stay in something that is already comfortable?
'Cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you. I keep living alone. We're so far from home.
I moved on to Grayson's room, just picking up some toys, vacuuming, and dusting. He uses a humidifier in his room and it leaves this like filmy, dusty looking stuff on all the dressers. It makes it look way more dirty than it actually is, but it's just like this weird film. But that comes up really easy, and the humidifier is a must, otherwise he gets really bloody noses.
Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. I keep living alone. We're so far from home. Free, but ready to flee from this all. Hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own.
So on a different day, I was able to come back to the guest bathroom and do a little bit more of a deep clean because I had gone through the closet and underneath the counters to get stuff that I wanted to get rid of, but I wanted to come back and actually clean it.
Oh, this is so unreal. Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I?
In all of our showers and bathtubs, I always use a vinegar and dish soap mixture. It's definitely my favorite, and it always leaves the showers and the glass looking very clean and spot-free.
Is there for you? I keep living alone. We're so far from home. Free, but ready to flee from this all. Hard to be standing on your own.
Now, I should have went and grabbed the mop here, but I just really didn't feel like going back downstairs. So I just took the rag and some multi-purpose cleaner and cleaned the corners where there was more buildup of like dog hair and stuff. The floors overall weren't really bad, but they definitely needed some help in the corners.
But ready to flee from this all. Hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the I met you in the and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
Having a two-story house, we definitely have a couple of places that are kind of a catch-all. This is one of them at the top of the stairs. I tend to put stuff here when I'm working on projects upstairs or stuff that I need to take back downstairs and just haven't gotten to it. And it definitely got quite built up this time around, but I was glad to clear it out.
I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
The last area that I was able to get to on this day was our loft. This is an area that I definitely have big ideas for with design and some DIY like cabinets and such. However, we're not going to live here forever, and I actually don't think we'll ever make it to doing those kinds of projects. There's just plenty of projects to do everywhere else in the house. So this is kind of a mishmash toy area with a TV but mostly a playroom.
We could see no reason, but we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And be sure to come back for more cleaning motivation while we get ready for the new member of our family to come.
You and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you